It's right there.
You're gonna have to hold this so I can.
All right. Hold the bowl.
Yeah. Something. Just sure, whatever.
It's not tilted though.
What do you mean it's not tilted?
Like, we're gonna come out of it from an angle, right? Maybe. Hold on. Hold on. Wait.
Tell me when. Say when. You ready? You ready?
Do it.
Why is it doing that? No.
Retreat, Sean.
No, not yet. Why?
It's learning our tactics.
We're fine. Catch it back.
It's staring at me. Wait.
What?
Okay.
Can
all right.
I do this?
Yes.
It's fucking moving its head.
Go.
Yes! Yes, we got it! We got it! Hurry up! Tape it.
Oh God.
Tape the fucking thing on there.
It's not moving or anything. Maybe it's sick. Maybe it has rabies.
It's probably got something, so just fucking make sure it's taped on there so it don't
And we
fall
have a
off.
nest of them in our house somewhere.
Shut up, don't think that.
Okay.
Oh God. If it starts like moving around in there.
We got stop. Wait. Hold it up. Hold it.
We got it. Okay, here, take this.
I don't hear it moving.
That's a good thing. Oh God.
Oh fuck. What if you take it off and a whole bunch of them fly down?
Shut up! Fucking kill you. This is not the time. I don't even. Oh God. There's all kinds of shit in the way up there. All the wire. What'd they do? Tie every fucking. They must have tied every single. Oh God. Oh God.
You can do it, Sean. I believe in you so much right now.
Oh, it's moving around. Oh, it's moving around. I can hear it. It's gonna dig a hole through the ceiling tile. I hear it. You hear it?
Yeah.
Oh my God! I fucking hear it.
Sean.
What? What do you want me to do?
Okay. Now what's the plan now?
I don't have a plan now.
It's still on there, Sean.
I didn't know how sturdy it was.
Get the attitude adjuster.
I am. Close this door as much as we can. We can arm it length.
Here. No, wait. Stop. Hold it down. We'll take the tape off. We flick it off. And we run back in here.
No, I'm just gonna stand in there and poke it until the tape comes off.
Why don't we just take the tape? It's not gonna have enough power to fly through.
Ooh, I have an idea.
What? More duct tape? I don't see how that's helping us. Are you gonna tape the? You gonna tape it to the stick?
Yes.
And then remove the other tape? Is that how this is gonna play? Duct tape to the rescue. Sean, you need to get the other tape off. It's not gonna just pull off. It's just pulling off. Okay. It's gone.
Oh yeah. It won't just pull off.
Don't open the door, Sean! What are you doing? What are you doing?
Okay. Now we can eat.
No, wait. We gotta get the tile back.
We'll get it back.
What if shit comes down from there?
Yeah, we just open up a black hole. We divide it by 0.